Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about average function. There are multiple average functions. The most useful average functions are average, average if, average ifs. So let us start with average. Average basically gives you average from a particular range, or you can say particular array. So here we have written the average formula, then a start parenthesis. Now we wanted to make average of acquisition cost. So we will select from up to down or whatever the rows we wanted to average and close the parenthesis. Now we see 136 is the average for this acquisition cost. You select here and you see 136.39. That is the value. Now I wanted to average of acquisition cost in only one country, that is Fuji. So to calculate this, we will use average if. Then I will provide range, then criteria, then average range. So the range that I will take is the brand name, that is Fuji. Then use comma, and the criteria is Fuji. Then comma, then acquisition cost, for which we are just searching the average, and then close the parenthesis. It is 94.87. So it is my Fuji, and we see the acquisition costs are here, and if we will make an average, we see 94.87. That is here. Now the last average function is average ifs. There's a little twist between average if and average ifs. It is the same way that we did in sum if and sum ifs. So the difference is in average ifs we can use multiple criteria. Now in average if, just one condition can be used. So let's check this also. Average ifs. It starts with the average range. So my average range is acquisition cost. Then put comma. Then it asks criteria range. So my criteria was Canon, and then criteria 1 is Fuji. Now criteria range 2, that we will take as a country of sale, and then comma, then it asks for criteria. So it is my Japan, and then close the bracket. And we see 92.04. So let's check that also. The Fuji on the Japan and the acquisition cost 92.0433. It is the same value. So that's all about average. Thank you.